Hello everyone, we are Team AI Pac-Man from the University of Melbourne. In this video, I am going to talk about Pac-Man Capture the Flag contest, which was given as an assignment by our instructors, Dr. Nir and Professor Andrian, for the AI Planning for Autonomy course. In this contest, we have implemented three techniques: Monte Carlo tree search, A-star, and Q-learning. Well, to begin with, the attacking Pac-Man agent is initially made to move to the initial attack target, which is the center of the maze from where it can easily attack. Depending upon the mode of the attacker, the features representing the state are extracted, which are then fed to the Monte Carlo simulation to get the estimate of Q value of the state. One thing to note here is that for estimating the Q value, heuristic approach is followed that uses linear regression of features with their corresponding weights. Then, Monte Carlo simulation is used to get the best action for the state. Best action here refers to the action which leads to the maximum Q value. Features depend upon the mode attacker is currently in, and it can be in any of the following modes. First is at origin. This mode triggers the Pac-Man to go to its initial attack position and is deactivated once it reaches the center. Should return mode is activated in the following conditions: if the attacker is carrying 4 or more food and there is a probability of opponent's ghost nearby, or if the attacker is carrying food and our current game score is equal to 0 and it has been quite a while. This condition is important as it is a time constrained competition. The next is escape mode. Attacker is in escape mode if it is being chased by the ghost and the ghost is observed to be close enough. In this second AI technique, we have used A-star search with heuristics. The agent will try to fetch the optimal path to the nearest goal state, which might be a food or capsule. The scenario is analyzed based on the current game state and the corresponding mode is activated. The agent then performs the first move of the path returned by the A-star algorithm. Forage and escape are the two modes of A-star search agent which are triggered in the same way as explained in the MCTS modes. Q-learning is a model-free reinforcement learning technique which uses the experience from the past to learn more about the environment. Considering the vast space of the problem, linear function approximation is used to approximate the state space. We first train the algorithm to calculate the optimal weights for the features. During the game, we analyze the game state and choose the appropriate features depending upon the scenario. These features and weights are then used to determine the best action which produces the highest Q value. Q-learning algorithm can act as both attacker and defender with various modes shown here. This slide shows the performance comparison of our techniques against each other and the baseline team. Each technique was able to outperform the baseline team, with A-star being the top performer. Finding the optimal weights for MCTS and training the Q-learning was quite a challenging task. A-star algorithm used for finding the closest path to the target also does not consider the dynamics of the ghost movement. For the future improvement, we can program our agent to act as both attacker and defender in all the techniques with an ability to detect and avoid tunnels. During pre-computation time, the maze can be analyzed to find strategic positions to defend as well. This is a demo for MCTS implementation in which the attacker agent goes for eating the capsule as soon as an opponent is observed nearby. Well, because of pruning the reverse action from legal actions, the attacker agent was not able to reverse its path after observing the enemy ghost and got killed. Q-learning agent can act as both attacker and defender depending on the scenario. Now, as you can see, when the number of defending food is less than 50%, the attacker is returning home to defend the food from the enemy Pac-Man. The weakness of Q-learning algorithm is that it sometimes gets stuck in a loop when there are contradictory Q values. A-star, being the best performer, was able to avoid ghost positions effectively. The A-star agent can find the optimal path through the food while avoiding the ghosts. The weakness of A-star agent is that it fails to foresee the deeper tunnels. It falls into the trap and gets eaten by the enemy Pac-Man. Thank you. For wiki and GitHub link, look for the link given in the description below.